the moment we've all been waiting for. Yes! My award. A check. There's no check.
Are you sure? Because I really thought I heard someone mention it.
I said there's no check. And now it's time for Present Pass It On. As always, we start with our cheermeister. The gift of a Christmas shave. Yes. Good times, huh? Good times. And now I have a little something for the love of my life. Martha May, please become Mrs. Augustus Mayhew.
Augustus?
If you agree to be my wife, along with a lifetime supply of happiness, you'll also receive this. It's a new car! Generously provided by the taxpayers of Whoville! What do you say, Martha? You got 20 seconds on the clock.
Well, these gifts are quite dazzling.
Of course they are. That's what it's all about, isn't it? That's what it's always been about. Gifts. You want to know what happens to your gifts? They all come to be in your garbage. You see what I'm saying? In your garbage. I could hang myself with all the bad Christmas neckties I found at the dump. And the avarice. The avarice never ends. I want golf clubs, I want diamonds, I want a pony so I can ride it twice, get bored, and sell it to make glue. Look, I don't want to make waves, but this whole Christmas season is stupid. There is, however, one teeny tiny Christmas tradition I find quite meaningful. Mistletoe. Now pucker up and kiss it, Whoville! Uh-oh. Somebody's fabulous! Your turn, Dawn. Excuse me, old timer. Mind if I wet my whistle? Well, that's some good stuff. Burn, baby! Burn!
Oh, wow.
Oh, the humanity! Let's go, come on!
Help me, Lawrence!
Apologies, sir. I think it's time to tender my resignation.
Calling all units. Calling all units.
Taxi! That's because I'm green, isn't it? Whoa! folks. Mind if I ride along? You might want to scooch over. You did the right thing.